Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up course on Whop. We'll walk through creating a clean, professional course from scratch, so your students have a smooth learning experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to create the basic course structure, add your first chapter, and upload or embed video lessons inside Whop. Start by heading to the Whop homepage and sign in. Make sure you're using the correct account before you begin, especially if you manage more than one business or workspace. From your dashboard, click into your business. This takes you to the area where all your products and settings live. This is where you'll manage your course, product access, customer experience, and other important business settings. Find and open the Courses section. Here's where you'll create and manage everything for your curriculum. Think of this area as the main home for your lessons, chapters, videos, and student learning path. Click Add Course to begin. This starts the setup process for your new course. Give your course a clear, searchable name. Think short, specific, and aligned with what learners will type when they look for it. For example, a name like Beginner Notion Course or Social Media Content Basics is clearer than simply saying Course 1. Next, write a description that explains who the course is for, what outcomes students can expect, and any prerequisites or materials they'll need. A good description helps students understand whether the course is right for them before they start. Aim for a few concise paragraphs that set expectations and spark interest. You can briefly mention what students will learn, how the course is structured, and what result they should expect by the end. While you're still building, set the course to Hidden. This keeps it private, so only you can see it until you're ready to share. This is useful because you can safely organize your chapters, upload videos, and review everything before students get access. Now add a cover image. Click Change, choose an image from your computer, then click Open. Pick something high resolution, on-brand, and easy to read at smaller sizes. Your cover image is one of the first things students will notice, so it should look clean and professional. A simple graphic with a short title often works best. Avoid crowded designs or too much text, because the image may appear smaller on different screens. When those details look good, click Create. This will save your main course information and move you into the next part of the setup. Whop will generate your course shell and drop you into the builder to start organizing content. The course shell is basically the empty structure where you'll add chapters, lessons, videos, and supporting material. Click Add New Chapter. Chapters help learners navigate, so name them by outcome or topic to make the path through your course obvious. For example, instead of naming a chapter Module 1, you could name it Setting Up Your Account or Creating Your First Project, depending on what the lesson teaches. Open your new lesson and add a video. Video lessons are usually the main learning material, so make sure your video is clear, easy to follow, and recorded in a way that matches your course topic. You have two options. If you prefer hosting directly on Whop, choose Upload Video, select your file, and let it process. This is useful when you want the video to live directly inside the course platform without sending students somewhere else. Keep files optimized for web playback to speed things up. Smaller, cleanly exported files usually upload faster and give students a smoother viewing experience, especially on slower internet connections. If your video lives on another platform, click Embed Video and paste the share or embed link into the field provided. This works well if you already host your videos elsewhere and simply want to display them inside your Whop lesson. Whop will pull it in, so it plays seamlessly within the lesson. This helps students stay focused because they can watch the lesson without leaving the course experience. That's it. You've created your course, set it to Hidden while you build, added a cover, created a chapter, and populated your first lesson with video. At this point, you have the foundation of your course ready. Follow the same flow for additional chapters and lessons, and you'll have a complete course ready to go. Once all your content is added, you can review the course. Make sure everything is organized clearly, and then make it available when you're ready for students to start learning.